For everyday studying, Medley is great. But where it truly becomes powerful is during big exam sessions. The moment when you're juggling multiple topics, dozens of documents, and a mountain of revision material. Medley lets you combine several files to create mock exams, full study guides, or even mind maps for an entire subject. And that kind of flexibility gives you the freedom to focus on your learning. There's virtually no limit to what you can build inside Medley. From the moment you receive your course materials, through assignments, quizzes, all the way to your final exam. It's designed to grow with you, adapt to your workflow, and help you stay organized without feeling overwhelmed. Medley is not without flaws though. You mostly deal with minor bugs, lecture notes that sometimes fail to generate, and flashcard edits that fail to save. But there's no app without bugs. The only real problem we encountered was zooming in on pages. It hides the toolbar at the bottom and makes it difficult to work sometimes. Medley works best on a laptop or desktop. The iPad is great for fact-checking or handwriting answers. But the phone? Too small, not optimized, and honestly, not worth the effort. At $33 a month, Medley definitely sits on the higher end of study tools. The annual plan makes it a little easier to manage, but when you look closely at what you're getting, the value becomes hard to ignore. Medley is the closest thing to affordable private tutoring, and in that context, the price suddenly looks very different. Even on the cheaper end, private lessons can start at around $5 an hour for a single subject. Compare that to Medley's $33 a month, and you're getting unlimited support across all your subjects anytime you need it for the entire month. No scheduling, no hourly limits, no extra fees, just open the app and study. And for students who are struggling to afford private tutoring, this is exactly what you need. You should be willing, though, to invest the time to learn the tool and have the discipline to study on your own. Medley can genuinely offer the kind of academic support that would otherwise be out of reach. And this concludes our series on Medley. Hopefully you found it useful. And if you're using the tool already, do share your experiences so you can help others. And until the next app, fantastic human, stay fantastic.